Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome to January 2026.
Wow, what happened?
I know. I mean, and I think, the short and sweet of it is, and I know we said this last year and it didn't come to fruition, but we're feeling really confident. Like, we feel like the market is going to pop this year.
Yeah, and I think it started. If you actually look at 2025, this was the best year for luxury contracts.
Since they started keeping contract, the second best year.
Second best year.
Right, second best year.
Yes.
Since they kept.
So over the last 20 years.
Yeah, 20 years. It's been 20 years.
It was
right.
a strong year. And I think, going into 2026, I see two big trends happening. One is rents are going through the roof.
Insane.
If you're just looking at average, median, they are at all-time highs.
Especially on the luxury side. Like, we have two examples where the rents between 2 years ago and now are up over 30%.
Yeah.
Which is insane.
Yes.
And that's, we think, will push people into the sale market.
Yeah. I mean, so we're going to continue to see rents climb, and this is twofold. One, a lot of people who should have been purchasing or would have purchased over the last couple of years have opted to rent instead.
Right.
And then there's been very little built on the rental side over really the last 10 years.
Yeah.
So we're going to continue to see rental demand increase, supply is going to continue to decrease, rents are going to continue to go up.
And that will push people into the purchase market. And also on that end of the market, there's a lack of inventory now.
Yeah.
2024 and 2025 saw a huge absorption of inventory. And so now this year, what I think will happen is the tables will be kind of turned in some markets with buyers really competing heavily for very few apartments. And we started to see that this year. So I definitely think if you're on the fence, it's worth having a phone call with us. We're happy to chat because this could be the year to purchase given where prices are and where inventory is going.
Yeah, I mean, I definitely see prices spiking at some point.
And in some markets.
And in some,
depends on the neighborhood, depends on the price point for sure.
Yeah, so.
Stay tuned, everybody. We look forward to working with you this year, and happy holidays.